today I'm in a buffet and I'm with my nanay, my cousin, and my lolo. And it's his birthday. And guess what? It's his birthday. So it was his birthday earlier. I mean, yeah, it's still his birthday. Nothing happened. So
This one, the handmade.
So I'm gonna get ice cream again. I'm getting the ice cream. Here. I'm also getting ice cream. Oh gosh! I was scared guys for a second. So here are the areas.
Sorry.
So what?
There's the pasta corner.
By the way, my nanay is speaking.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. The voice sounds good.
There's the Peking duck. Here are the Peking ducks. There. Where are we?
Junior area. Or called as the Japanese area. Nanay,
Yeah.
put them behind you. Wait, there's so many stuff.
That's for the halo-halo, baby. Here.
And the vlog is about to end.
We're actually at La Fiesta, Mandarin Bay Resort.
And the vlog is gonna end. Bye guys!